The DC motor helps students to investigate electromagnetic forces. Not only can this apparatus be used as a motor, but it can also be used as a generator as well. The apparatus comes with tools to tighten up any parts that might come loose, 2 connecting wires, a DC motor with the magnets already mounted and very easy to see all the different parts, a storage case, and an activity guide. Here's a close-up of the DC motor. You have the 2 terminals on either side. You have the brushes that connect the power supply to the central rotating commutator. You also have the armature and the magnets on either side. The nice thing about students being able to see all these parts is that they can actually see this little split ring, and you can discuss, why does that split ring exist, and then you can go into more detail about the exact function of the motor. You don't need very much voltage to get this going. I'm just going to be using a 1.5 volt D battery that I had lying around here, and I'm going to connect the red to the right and the blue to the left. Now I'm just going to give it a little jump start here. There you go, just off of a single D-cell battery. So when you provide voltage to the DC motor, it causes it to move and create motion. Hence, it's called an electric motor. However, if you take a simple galvanometer and connect it to the terminals, you can demonstrate to the students how the principle of a generator works. Now with a generator, you are providing the motion and it's producing electricity. I have no battery connected, but if I create motion, this is moving the coils in an external magnetic field, and it creates electricity. The open design of the DC motor allows students to be able to quickly and efficiently get this operating, see all the individual little parts of it, and then if you want to go into more advanced topics, you can have them provide motion and have them use this as an actual electric generator. The tools that come with it are, as if anything comes loose, they can easily rectify that and get this up and going again. And when you are all done, everything fits conveniently right in the storage case, so you can put it right on the shelf and pull it out quickly for the next time.